Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 1970 Dodge Coronet Super B in lemon twist yellow. 383 V8 on this Super B, 4-speed, has a pistol grip shifter. Before we get too deep into this car, I want to tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are located in Sarasota, Florida, just north of University on 301. We are actually on the corner of 301 and Televast. We keep about 100 cars in inventory. About 80% of those cars are domestic classic cars. The other 20% are European, exotic, and or luxury vehicles. But as I mentioned, about 80% are domestic classic. If you have any questions on any of the cars you see here today or this 70 Super B, please give us a call, 941-355-1955. If I'm going too fast with the video and there's something you'd like to see, please visit the website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. We do have a lot more pictures of this Super B and all the other vehicles on our website. The pictures are taken outside, so much better light than what you see in the warehouse here. Black interior on this Super B. If you're not in Florida and you're interested in this 1970 Dodge Super B, don't worry, we do offer shipping where we can manage the shipping process for you anywhere in the US and or the world. Last year in 24, we shipped to 19 different US states and 7 different countries across the world. So we can certainly manage your shipping needs. All of our shippers are insured and bonded to make sure the car gets to you safe and sound. If you have finance needs, we can certainly help you with those as well. Visit the website, classiccarsofsarasota.com. We do have a finance tab. You can fill out an application and we will go ahead and get you approved via one of our classic car lenders. Again, just a beautiful Dodge Coronet here. We'll go ahead and get it started up for you. The paint is in excellent condition. See power brakes in the 383. Go ahead and get the battery connected here. Show you it is a cold start. Make sure we don't hit the car next to us as we get in. As we get in here, again, do apologize for the darkness of the video. Please visit the website and you can see the interior in much better light. You do see the pistol grip. Make sure we're in neutral. Vehicle does start right up. Sounds well. We'll let it warm up a little bit, but take you back and let you hear that noise of the little rumble of the 60s and 70 muscle cars that everybody used to on this Dodge Super B. Again, on the exhaust, you don't see any smoke, no water or moisture coming out. Sounds fantastic. This lemon twist right next to 11 Camaro SS in green and a little lemon and yellow here. Green. Engine sounds fantastic. No knocking or ticking or noises. Just purrs as it should. Very healthy. It's warmed up a little bit here. We'll go ahead and rev it just a little bit here. fabulous, as you would expect. With 383 Dodge Super B. Just a beautiful vehicle here. If you are interested, again, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or feel free to visit our website, classiccarsofsarasota.com. And as always, appreciate you tuning in, and thank you very much.